Here it is, the old ladder from the 1960s. It is brittle, bone dry. It's been out in the sun, Las Vegas sun, for 10 years. I just bought some boiled linseed oil. I'm gonna renew it, refresh it, give it a new life. This is kindling. This would burn up in 2 seconds if you threw it on a fire. Let's save the ladder. Watch how this drinks it up. Look at this. It's like a sponge. This wood has not been treated in over 50 years. 50 years.
50 years?
Drying out. Ooh, it loves this. Loves it.
Ooh, that's satisfying.
Where this ladder ends up, who knows, but it used to belong to my dad in the 60s in the basement. This is a ladder I grew up with. It's a few days later. I ordered some more of this on Amazon. I'm sure there are all kinds of products out there to restore old, dried up wood, but boiled linseed oil worked great.